Intralingual could be both gastric as well as duodenal also. Okay. What is the most common artery involved at rest? If it is a posterior medial wall of the duodenal bulb, your anatomy teachers would kill you otherwise. They'll haunt you in your dreams. Okay, so the most common one is B. So let's go with that. Gastroduodenal artery, right? So gastroduodenal artery is the one that is at the posterior most part, posterior medial wall of the duodenal bulb. Okay, and it is most likely to bleed in case of the ulcer. Okay, here, what is the artery that is located behind the posterior medial wall of the duodenum? That is the gastroduodenal artery, right? So you don't need to know all of the art. So this is not your, first year anatomy exam. You don't need to know all of the vascularity of all the branches, superior mesenteric artery, all the branches of your left hepatic, common hepatic. You don't need to do all of those. Okay. So just know what are the more clinically involved findings, and just know that your penetrating duodenal ulcers, they're most commonly on the posterior medial wall, right? And as a result of them, it could lead to hematomesis. Okay, so they could bleed, and then these patients could develop massive GI bleeding. And the most common involved artery is the gastroduodenal artery. Okay, so those are the most high yield important things that you need to know. You don't need to revise the entire anatomy again, not very high yield. If you want to do it, you can, but I would not recommend it. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.